And you're going to want to shake your bottle of shaving cream. And you're going to want to pour some of that in. The shaving cream will usually double the size of your slime. Now, as you can see, it's turning more into slime as I mix it. And as I mix it, it just turns more and more into slime. I won't be coloring mine, but you can use any color you want. Just make sure it's food coloring and not paint. You can also use sprinkles to make the color. I did that with one of them before, but don't add anything else but lotion. You can add lotion, but add nothing else. If you add anything else, this won't work. And this is what it will look like. At first, it'll look like just a big failed mess, but you just gotta play with it a lot. And I know I don't have the best camera, but that's just the way it is. And as you can see, guys, yeah, this is the slime. It's pretty messy because of the shaving cream, but it's actually not sticky once you're done. And it's really soft at first. It'll be kind of messy at first. Just don't add Stafflo or any kind of other food coloring other than sprinkles or just regular food coloring. You can add those, but don't add any kind of paint or other kind of food coloring. Otherwise, it'll turn into a watery mess. And it won't be slime anymore. It'll just be a mess. And as you can see, my hands are getting cleaner as I play with it, because the slime is taking the shaving cream out. At first, it looks kind of sticky. As you can see, it looks like it sticks to my hand a lot, but really it doesn't stick to you. At first, it looks all clumpy and like fluffy, like it is fluffy slime, and you can make more than I did, but I just made as much as my heart wanted me to make, because I know I've already got some, so I don't really need to make a lot of it. And yeah, so yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will be giving shout outs. Actually, I won't be able to give shout-outs this time because of last time when I tried to give shout-outs, it didn't really work. Cause like there's something wrong with my camera, and it like there's something wrong with my thing, so I can't give shout-outs. And but I can try it next time, guys. So yeah, and this is what it looks like when you're done. So satisfying, and so not sticky. And then when I add it to my slime, my slime will become much bigger, and see how it just broke. It just broke into 2 pieces, so that's not good. But I'll be right back, guys. If you add lotion to it, if you add lotion to it, then it will become way more stretchy. At first, you'll feel like, oh no, I just ruined my slime. Like, it's so ruined. But then when you're finished, see, it rips even more than it did when I didn't have the lotion in it.